This is Heather. She has a home vinyl t-shirt business and got an order of 200 shirts that need done by the end of the week. She might be able to weed all the shirts in time.
There's no way I can read all these shirts in time.
Okay, well, she needs another way. Fortunately for her, there's Transfer Express. On transferexpress.com, Heather can use our EasyView online designer to create the design she needs for her customers. And with the click of a button, her custom design is sent to the largest screen-printed and digital transfer facility in the world. With 2 full-size production facilities, professional staff, state-of-the-art equipment, and over 31 years of combined experience, Heather can be confident knowing her design is in good hands and fast hands. Once arrived, just a press peel and she's got her goat party shirts. Hey, we don't judge. Transfer Express, the GOAT in custom transfers.